Your food choices today directly impact how much pain you feel tomorrow. If you're struggling with arthritis, what you eat could be your most powerful medicine or your worst enemy. In today's video, I'm revealing 3 game-changing plant-based proteins proven to fight inflammation and reduce arthritis pain naturally. These aren't just random health foods. Each one contains specific compounds that target joint inflammation at its source. Most people reach for medication first, but these protein powerhouses might be what you're actually missing. Stay with me to discover nature's solution to arthritis discomfort. Let's get into it. Quinoa, the complete protein powerhouse. Let's start with quinoa, a protein source many arthritis sufferers completely overlook. Unlike typical grains, quinoa delivers a complete protein profile with all 9 essential amino acids your body needs. This matters for arthritis because complete proteins provide the building blocks necessary for cartilage repair and joint maintenance. What makes quinoa truly special for arthritis sufferers is its impressive magnesium content. Research from the Arthritis Foundation shows magnesium deficiency is common among people with chronic joint pain. This mineral helps regulate inflammatory responses throughout your body. When your magnesium levels are optimal, your joints experience less inflammation and greater mobility. The evidence is compelling. Studies published in the Journal of Nutrition found that people who consumed foods rich in magnesium regularly reported significantly lower levels of inflammatory markers in their bloodstream. For arthritis sufferers, this translates to reduced pain and better function. Quinoa also contains saponins, natural compounds with documented anti-inflammatory effects. These compounds work by inhibiting the production of cytokines, which are proteins that trigger inflammation in your joints. Another advantage of quinoa is its impressive fiber content. The connection between fiber and arthritis might surprise you. High-fiber diets promote a healthier gut microbiome, and new research reveals a strong gut-joint connection. Scientists now believe that certain gut bacteria can either promote or reduce joint inflammation. The fiber in quinoa feeds beneficial gut bacteria that help suppress inflammatory responses. Beyond its nutritional profile, quinoa is incredibly versatile and easy to prepare. Instead of boring rice bowls, try a warm quinoa breakfast bowl with cinnamon and berries. Or make a quinoa tabbouleh salad with fresh herbs and lemon juice for lunch. For dinner, quinoa makes an excellent base for veggie-packed power bowls with roasted vegetables and tahini dressing. The texture provides a satisfying bite that many other grains lack. And here's something most people don't realize. Quinoa comes in different varieties. White quinoa has the mildest flavor, while red and black varieties offer a more earthy taste and extra antioxidants for additional anti-inflammatory benefits. Ready for our next inflammation-fighting protein? Hemp seeds, tiny seeds, massive benefits. Hemp seeds might be small, but their impact on arthritis pain can be tremendous. These tiny powerhouses contain the perfect balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, an ideal ratio that directly combats joint inflammation. This perfect fatty acid balance is rare in nature and precisely what your inflamed joints need. Unlike many plant proteins, hemp seeds deliver all 9 essential amino acids in an easily digestible form. This complete protein profile supports muscle strength around affected joints, improving stability and reducing pain with movement. What makes hemp seeds truly exceptional for arthritis sufferers is their gamma-linolenic acid, GLA content. GLA is a type of omega-6 fatty acid with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Research published in the Journal of Arthritis and Rheumatism found that GLA supplementation significantly reduced joint pain, stiffness, and swelling in patients with rheumatoid arthritis. Hemp seeds are one of the few plant foods naturally containing this beneficial compound. The anti-inflammatory effects of hemp seeds extend beyond GLA. They also contain compounds called phenols that act as antioxidants in your body. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals that would otherwise damage joint tissues and accelerate the progression of arthritis. Adding hemp seeds to your diet couldn't be simpler. Their mild, nutty flavor blends perfectly into smoothies without altering the taste. Try sprinkling them on oatmeal, yogurt, or salads for an instant protein boost and crunchy texture. You can even blend them into homemade salad dressings or use hemp seed butter as an alternative to peanut butter. Just 3 tablespoons provide about 10 grams of protein and a significant dose of anti-inflammatory compounds. For maximum benefit, consume hemp seeds raw rather than cooking them. High heat can damage some of their beneficial fatty acids. Store them in the refrigerator to preserve freshness and prevent oxidation of the oils. The best part: no preparation is required. They're ready to eat straight from the package. Incorporating hemp seeds into your daily meals creates a cumulative anti-inflammatory effect that can noticeably reduce arthritis pain over time. Now, let's move on to our third arthritis-fighting protein that most people completely overlook: Tempeh, the fermented superfood. Tempeh deserves serious attention from anyone battling arthritis pain. This fermented soybean product delivers more than just protein. It introduces beneficial probiotics that address the gut-joint connection many doctors now recognize as crucial for arthritis management. Recent research from Harvard Medical School confirms that gut health directly influences joint inflammation. The probiotics in Tempeh help restore healthy gut bacteria, potentially reducing systemic inflammation that affects your joints. Tempeh contains about 19 grams of protein per 3.5-ounce serving, more than most other plant-based sources. This matters because sufficient protein intake supports the maintenance and repair of tissues throughout your body, including your joints. But protein content is just the beginning of Tempeh's benefits for arthritis sufferers. Tempeh contains remarkable compounds called isoflavones that have demonstrated anti-inflammatory effects similar to some medications. These isoflavones can help inhibit the enzymes responsible for producing inflammatory compounds in your body. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that regular consumption of fermented soy products like Tempeh was associated with lower levels of inflammatory markers in adults with arthritis. The fermentation process makes Tempeh even more beneficial than other soy products. Fermentation breaks down phytic acid and other anti-nutrients that might otherwise block mineral absorption. This means that calcium, magnesium, and zinc in Tempeh become more bioavailable to support bone and joint health. Vitamin K2, another nutrient found in Tempeh, helps direct calcium to your bones rather than your arteries. This is particularly important for arthritis patients who need to maintain bone density without increasing calcification in soft tissues. Cooking with Tempeh is straightforward once you learn a few basics. Its firm texture and ability to absorb flavors make it incredibly versatile. Try marinating Tempeh slices in turmeric, garlic, and ginger before baking or grilling them. The result is a savory, protein-rich addition to any meal. For a quick option, crumble Tempeh into stir-fries, pasta sauces, or tacos as a meat alternative. The slightly nutty flavor complements many dishes without overpowering other ingredients. If you're new to Tempeh, start with smaller amounts and gradually increase as you become accustomed to its unique taste and texture. Steaming Tempeh for a few minutes before cooking can help remove any bitterness and improve its ability to absorb marinades. Each of these plant proteins offers unique benefits for managing arthritis symptoms naturally. By incorporating quinoa, hemp seeds, and Tempeh into your regular meal rotation, you're providing your body with the nutrients it needs to fight inflammation at its source. The best strategy is to include a variety of these proteins throughout your week rather than focusing on just one. This ensures you receive the complete spectrum of anti-inflammatory compounds and nutrients they offer. Remember that consistency is key. These foods work best when consumed regularly as part of an overall anti-inflammatory diet. You may not notice changes overnight, but many people report significant improvements in pain and mobility within a few weeks of consistent use. If you found this information helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more evidence-based nutrition strategies to manage chronic pain naturally. What's your experience with plant-based proteins for arthritis relief? Have you tried any of these foods and noticed improvements? Share your story in the comments below. Until next time, I'm here to help you take control of your health naturally.